Hi, I'm new Tais, the evolution of the best breed GRP interlock socket outlet. I am now, once again, raising the bar. High pressure and temperature water jets resistance. I don't spread flames or produce toxic gases. I withstand in the most aggressive environments without any maintenance for over 30 years. Simplified wiring thanks to the snap-in shroud, the flatbed switch, cage terminals with indirect contact, and the convenient safe earth connection. I can be equipped with 2 auxiliary remote signaling contacts, allowing to monitor the status of my switch. My fuse holder base is made of solid ceramic for high temperatures enhanced resistance. The built-in extraction lever allows rapid replacement of cylindrical fuses. I can accommodate more than 50,000 plug insertions to power any load. I have a high visibility switch status indication. I can be fully tampering proof with 3 levels of security, and I'm modular to meet any installation need. I'm familiar with these environments, and you can use me wherever you want to secure the maximum safety. Designed and built in Italy. Tais, evolution of the tradition.